Stop playing around. The people have spoken. You can't abuse and provide subpar services for so long and be surprised when this happens. People love to be laid back and relaxed when the time is right. But when it comes down to business, you got to be serious and you got to be on time. Accountability and reliability is key. Can't want iPhone 16 prices and flip phone service. People want to feel respected and know their goods are in good hands. Everyone will have everything to say about who you should and shouldn't support, based on whatever reasons. But enough is enough. I'm not taking subpar services just because you look like me. Stop playing around before you give the country to everyone else. I hope people take this and understand the government's plight now with these type of situations. You hear Jamaicans curse both sides on what they have given to certain people and what they haven't, whether it be land, visa, citizenship, or contracts. Why would Jamaica sell out to these people? The same reason that these long lines of drivers left their Jamaican mechanics, to sit and wait. Convenience, accountability, and peace of mind. We've got to do better.